Hey friends, hello and welcome back to today's YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can change the orientation of Google Docs from portrait to landscape. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. Open your Google Docs. So once this is opened, all you have to do is look at the ribbon at the top. So currently we're in a portrait orientation. So how can we change this to landscape? Look at the ribbon and here you'll find the file tab. Click on that. Scroll down and at the bottom you'll find this option page setup. Click on that. And then here you'll find orientation. If you want to go landscape, then simply click on that. And if you want to set this as the default one, click on set as default and click on OK. And now you are in your landscape in your Google Docs. Okay? That's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.